working out at home with dumbbells is a game changer, especially for beginners. No gym intimidation or waiting for machines, just pure straight to business fitness in your living room. You save time, lower costs, and increase your flexibility with your schedule. Plus, it's practical for busy people like us who have packed schedules and endless to-do lists. Dumbbells can fit into tight spaces, which is perfect for those living in small apartments, like my cozy corner in Portland. When starting, the weight you choose can be a tricky task. Beginners typically start with 5 to 15 pounds. It's vital not to overestimate your strength. Rushing leads to injury. The sweet spot has closed doser. It's choose the weight that you can lift comfortably for about 8 to 12 reps and still feel the burn. Feeling the challenge in the last few reps means progress. A common pain point is the fear of not knowing what exercises to do. Fear not, we'll tackle a foolproof plan and start with fundamental moves, bicep curls, shoulder presses, and tricep extensions. These are easy and effective with pictures accessible online. You can see exactly how to perform each step. For bicep curls, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hold a pair of dumbbells at arm's length next to your side. Keep your elbows close to your torso. Lift the weights up towards your shoulders. The movement is simple and valuable. Pro tip, keep controlled motions. Swinging the weights risks injury and minimizes effectiveness. And shoulder presses are next. Stand or sit with the dumbbells at your shoulders, palms facing forward. Press the weights overhead until your arms are fully extended. Ensure a controlled descent back to the shoulders. Visualize lifting a box overhead, not too heavy, but significant enough to challenge yourself. Tricep extensions offer a shift in focus. Hold a single dumbbell overhead with both hands, arms extended. Lower the weight behind your head by bending your elbows, then extend your arms back up. Visualizing the backward pitch on a baseball field helps in understanding the arm's motion trajectory. Lunges, holding dumbbells in each hand, work like a superhero's cape for your legs. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to stand. Alternate legs. The crucial point, stronger legs mean better stability everywhere in life. For squats, hold a dumbbell in each hand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if sitting back into a chair, then return to standing. Maintain a straight back. It's like testing the balance between sitting and standing. So basic, yet robust for building core strength. Deadlifts are your ticket to backside strength. With feet hip width apart, hold a pair of dumbbells in front of your thighs. Bend at your hips and knees to lower the weights as far as you comfortably can without rounding your back. Imagine reaching down to tie your shoelaces as a mindful posture guide. In a world obsessed with quick fixes, progression matters. Start small, increase gradually. Every couple of weeks, increase your weight by 5 pounds if you feel the current setup is too easy. Tracking this growth develops a resilient habit and underpins lasting strength. It's all about creating a strong and healthy body sustainably over time. Avoid the number one mistake, inconsistency. Schedule workout days like any critical appointment, and aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week to start. Consistency trumps intensity in the long run, creating a solid foundation for fitness growth. Remember, dumbbells are companions on your journey, not the whole journey itself. It's about weaving this into your life seamlessly. Keep a journal to track strength, progress, and personal challenges. Celebrate small victories. Write down how many reps you achieve or any new personal bests. In the grand scheme of progress, these little wins keep motivation alive and kicking, something we all need in the long road of fitness.